The fastest growing class in the sport of pulling, ladies and gentlemen. I do a show up in Missouri. In this class right here alone. In this class. This is a 2.6 diesel class.
We're back in Nordheim, Texas, everybody, with the diesel trucks, Texas Truck and Tractor Pullers. Last night, Farm Truck won. My buddy Ryan Zolik is over there videoing. So, I do not have a distance yet. You can guess all you want. We'll see what we got for distance. I think we have 4 or 5 diesel trucks here. So, I'll show the distance on every one of them for you. Thank you, Tracy.
This is a 5.9.
Where are all my diesel truck fans at? Give me a thumbs up or something.
If you've never seen a diesel pickup, get a load of this.
Thanks, Nicole. Okay, there's your leader, guys. 318 and 15. 318.15. Again, we're live in Nordheim, Texas, everybody, at the Nordheim Shooting Club. This is their big annual fundraiser, Truck and Tractor Pull. They have a big barbecue contest as well. I got to announce that. This is Jason Schultz with the Beer Money Pulling Team. Brought my tractor, the Remedy, down to make some exhibition passes. Good friends with Clint Medding, so he asked us to come down. So Ryan and I came down. We picked up Jeff Golly with the Butcher 4x4 truck on the way down as well. Picked him up in Joplin, Missouri. We're going to load up tonight after the pull and head for home. So try to be home late tomorrow night.
I know there's a lot going on over in the shooting club.
So 318 is the distance to beat. This is last night's winner, Dan Balance. He calls it the farm truck. Would not, if he runs like it did last night.
You won't have the last two that runs. Smoke will not be hitting you in the face on that. It will be going higher than that. Our last two, we got the last two hooks of the night, ladies and gentlemen, is worth hanging around for. They are worth hanging around for.
I think there's 4 or 5, Ty.
Now, Dave, you said earlier, you wouldn't see a Dodge in that.
Hey, Dave.
Class, right?
This is last night's winner, yep. So 318's the lead.
Said he tuned it up and thinks he tuned it up by about 50 horse.
Okay. So they put a different tune in it, or what? Right.
Said that he'd come off at 3,800 and he said he's going to leave at 4,500 tonight.
Thanks, Joe. Good luck to you as well. Come on, let's get this live video over 100 live viewers. If everybody could share this, or if you comment or like it or share it, that helps us get more viewers. So we're live in Nordheim, Texas, diesel trucks. Last night's winner right here. 318's the distance to beat.
Dan Balance. Now get a load of this truck. It's over with a Rocky Road. The farm truck out of Crawley, Texas. This is a 6.7 liter Cummins with a 2.6 turbo. This truck is locked and loaded.
I think he's got the lead by a couple feet. I think he's like 321. Ooh.
Hit him?
I think he's up like 2 inches.
2 inches?
Yeah. I think 318.21 was that first truck.
I'm an Earl They are stout running machines. Now that is a 2.6 turbo. They run a 3.0 turbo. Kind of give you a little bit, even if you're not a motorhead and don't keep up with it. Those diesel engines right there. This class
Ken, Tony McDonald does all my motor work. He has a pulling tractor of his own, and he's a good friend of mine. I keep everything in his house, my semi, my trailer, everything. He does it all. We get our turbo and fuel pumps from Hart's Diesel, and then we get our parts from Riverside Engines. And Tony puts it all together for me.
turbo. And the left
2 inches.
2 inches. So Dan's in the lead though?
Yeah,
So farm
he is.
trucks lead by 2 inches?
About 2 inches. This guy could get him right here.
This is the points champion, I think.
Horsepower.
He laid a run down last night.
Turbo, for those in a little bit that might not know what it is, it ain't nothing but two glorified windmills, one little and one big, and the exhaust air coming out of the exhaust ports turns a little bitty windmill. That little bitty windmill is connected to a shaft through an old bearing, steel shaft.
And somebody's blowing up my Snapchat tonight. I don't know who it is. But man.
More air into that motor. The more air, the more fuel.
Yeah, I think we got ourselves a new leader. I think we're going to go over 320.
Testing. Got to go 318.
We're starting to make a road, yep. Short.
8 feet.
305?
Yeah, I'd say 305 or 8.
Yes, we use ether to start the tractor. Yeah, our Snapchat's Beer Money Pull. Our Instagram is Beer Money Pull. You got like 50,000 followers on Instagram as well. Yep, Tyler, he's short. .33 is the lead, guys. 309.14. There's Joe that did all the bidding.
Joe! Hey, Joe! Yeah!
Hart's Diesel, David. Hart's Diesel does our injection and pumps.
These are running one turbo. These pickups are running one turbo. A big super stock class, some of the shows I do, the big supers, are running.
You're welcome, Linda. Thanks for watching.
Bigger than these ones. They're all staged. That's a lot of smoke. They're shooting an 8-inch tube, 100 foot in the air of black smoke. True story. The weather station, they were looking for tornadoes. It was a bad situation.
Soft spot right there.
Needs to pack that over there.
My head secretary, photographer, and eating lunch person down here. 309.14. 309.14.
This truck called Uncommon. Is that what it says on the front?
I really don't think he's just too excited.
Front of that one?
Yeah.
It's not his girlfriend.
So 318.33 is the lead still. And that bronze truck ready to rumble is in second.
You get? You don't know?
So farm truck's still in the lead. Looks like hot farms are next. Then pro mods, and then two wheelers, and then our exhibition, Jeff.
Okay. Here's the lady. You see that truck right down there? It's got a woman driver.
Yeah, Kent will be in Illinois this year. I know I'm going to Pinckneyville for sure. I want to try to go to the Illinois State Fair. I might sneak down to Nashville. I'm not sure yet.
Already going to get in play. All the guys have already left. They said that good dude's on his own. I'm not hanging around. This is the wife of Buck Hyman. And Buck is
So diesel trucks, guys, Nordheim, Texas. Dan Valance. Farm truck is in the lead at 318 and change. I think she's got him.
It ain't, it's close.
I think you got the lead. I think you got him. 318.33 is the lead. Let's see what you got. Nope. 317? Dang it.
Oh, man, it was close.
Good hook. I thought she had him.
Better get Big Joe when he comes, man.
I've been getting him.
Huh?
I've been getting him. All right, so I'm going to end this video and I'm going to start a new one for the hot farms.